So hi, Uwe George.
Yeah, hi Ed.
We're here again.
Yeah, I see.
2016. You've got two new drum machines to
Yes.
show.
Yeah. I think I start to introduce the two new machines. We constructed as follower from the 503, this is the Tanzmaus, and the Tanzbar Lite, the follower of the 522. But we added the sequencer of the former Tanzbar. That means now their own parameter log and real-time recording, so you can record all the knobs, and for each step you can have different sound. Also we have for each parameter an own knob. We have single outs, we have MIDI in, out and MIDI through. We have MIDI control, so every knob can be recorded, and they also get MIDI control messages.
So they have the same sequencer, right?
They have the same, both machines have the same sequencer and the same kind of design, the same metal chassis. It's very stable, very solid.
And is it just the voicing that's different then?
The sound is different, yes.
So what's the difference in sound between the two?
The Tanzbar Lite owns 9 analog instruments in the tradition of 808 or our own 522. In a moment, just we hear the Tanzbar Lite. We also added 5 LFOs to modulate the tuning of some of the samples, some of the instruments, only the Tanzmaus own samples, so you have very expressive sounds. Now we hear the Tanzbar Lite. Now let's switch to the Tanzmaus. So you can hear the modulated waveforms. The Tanzmaus owns 2 separate sample sections and 5 analog instruments like pick, snare, whip shot, claps and tom. The sample section can be triggered in tune, decay and attack and have access to 16 samples each. It's also possible to exchange samples via an extra website we created for. Single outs, for sure, flame and shuffle. Very powerful instrument. So what's to tell?
So
the price, maybe something about the price. Yeah, we calculated 480 for the Tanzmaus and 430 euro for the Tanzbar Lite, and will be available from now. But I think in the quantity in March, we expect a more quantity. Yeah.
And how many patterns can you store in each one of them? Is it the same pattern storage?
Yeah, it's the same. We have 3 times 16 patterns with A and B. Yeah, that means 3 banks, and for each bank we have 16 patterns with A and B.
And is there any pattern chaining?
Yes, it's also possible. It's like the Tanzbar. You can chain up to 16 different patterns in a live performance. Just press chain and then choose the way it goes on, from 1 to 16.
Excellent.
That's the pattern chain. You can also change it, so it's good for a live performance, yes. Maybe, now we hear the kick. Kick is a bit different from the Tanzbar, and a bit different from 909. Have a longer decay and a wide range of tuning, and also the noise noise can be triggered in decay and amount. We have different attacks for the bass drum. For example, here. I can change the attacks. So you can hear different clicks, different sort of transients. The snare drum is also a bit different from the Tanzmaus. We have real-time recording. Like this. So you can also play some percussion tracks with the snare drum. Go to the sample section. Maybe I create a pattern from the beginning, maybe more interesting, so I clear a pattern. Wait a moment. So I can build some samples like here. Change this.
So you said that you could change the samples.
Yes, yes.
Can you put your own samples in?
Yes, that is supported by an extra website because we need a special transforming encode.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for talking to us again, Numa George.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Award-winning customer service. Fast, free shipping on most orders. Own the gear of your dreams today.